Hi. In this video, I'm going to explain you the major features and functionalities of the Tasky to do application that I have built, right? So it is a multi-role task and project management application, which will going to serve different types of users. They can be an individual user, organizations, team members, and admins, right? So, and the functionalities are going to change, will be different according to the user role, right? So as I said, there will be four main roles: the user, organization, members, and admin. So let me show you the functionalities of each of these user role and what they does, right? So firstly, let me start with logging in into my organization, right? So let me quickly fill the password and email for this. Yeah. So this is the email. I'm going to enter the password, right? And then I'm going to log in. It will then going to send me the OTP in my inbox, right? In my email inbox, in that email that I have specified, right? In the login, right? So let me enter the OTP that I have gotten. Yeah. So this is the OTP. Here we can just paste it here, and it will going to paste my OTP. And as we can see, there are three attempts here. If those attempts are zero, then it will going to like redirect me to my login page again, right? So let me first show you entering an invalid OTP, right? It will going to show me, incorrect OTP entered. So re-enter your OTP. So and there is a recent OTP functionality as well, right? So if I click on that, it will going to resend my OTP in my inbox. So let me this time enter the correct OTP, right, and verify OTP. So after this OTP has been verified, it will going to redirect me to my dashboard of my application, right? So this is an organization role dashboard. So right now we have these total tasks, completed tasks, right? All of these metrics that to judge the performance of my application and track like how many tasks have been scheduled, right? Alerts that have been sent to the members, the tasks that have been completed and incompleted tasks, the project, the teams, all that, right? And I also have this graph, right, which will going to show me the priority, the task priority, right? The tasks that have that hold much higher value will categorize into high priority tasks and low priority tasks, and we have the task status as well, whether they are completed, whether they're not completed, right, or they're unfinished, which means that the deadline they entered have been passed, right, and the task is still unfinished. So we have the profile as well. In profile we have the name, the email, the phone, right, all these, and the credits as well, right? So here we have the concept of credits as well. Credits actually allow you to send the notification, the task notifications, right? For each notification sent in the email or in the SMS, right, one credit is going to deduct, right, from my account. So I will show you. But first let me, and also in the profile, what we can do is we can also edit my image, we can edit the email, we can edit the phone, all these things, right? So, okay, first let me show you this. If I edit the image, it will going to take me to, I can select one image, right? And my image is successfully updated. Now, let me show you how can I update my new email. So it is saying to enter the new email, right? So I will going to enter this new email, right? Let me enter any random email, then save. Then the OTP is going to be sent in that updated email, right? The OTP will be sent there, right? So I need to enter the OTP. This is the OTP that I received. Then I will click on save. Then it will say my email updated successfully. And as you can see that my new email is being showed here. Same with the phone. We can enter in the new phone. It will send me the OTP to that new phone number. And my phone will be updated. So and also any new email, if whenever the account is being registered, there will be an account verified option, right? That you need to verify your email and SMS, only then you are allowed to log in. If that falls, right, you are not allowed to log in. You have to first verify your accounts first, only then the OTP will be sent. And so this dashboard, this is dynamic. If any of these metrics change, it is going to get updated here, of course. Then in the project section, right, we can add in the projects, we can edit the projects, we can delete them, we can add in new teams, we can assign new teams to the projects, right? And also I have made the search feature as well, right? So let's say I'm searching. So I can search the project if I enter something. So there are no projects, anything invalid. So let me show you inside this project. If I click here, it will going to show me the description, the name, the team that have been assigned. You can also see the team members, and if you hover over them, you can see the member details as well, the name, the email, the phone that have been given to each of the members, right? You can assign the tasks, right? So yeah, this is that. And you can also, first let me show you how we can edit the projects, lead the projects, all that, right? So yeah, we can. And again, sorry, we also have the teams, right? The teams will going to have the members, and the projects that that team has assigned, right? So yeah, that will be there. The team will have all the assigned members, right? And we also have the member. Yeah, this will give me all the list of members that belong to that particular organization, right? So yeah, these are the organizations. And we have the inbox as well. This will be all the notification that my organization have received, right? That will be shown here, right? And we have this settings option as well. Here we can again edit my email, phone, we can change the password, we can log out, all these things we can do, right? So yeah, let me show you the project swap. Let me start by creating a new project, right? Again, if I add new project, right? Let's say if I don't add anything and I say, yeah, it will give me the validation error. It will say to enter it will not allow me to like submit my data in the server, right? So let me add anything random here. If I assign the team here, right, I have to also assign the team. This will be all the, it will give me all the list of teams under my organization, right? So yeah, if I assign and if I save it, it will say the project successfully created and my new project is here, right? As you can see, it is showing all the members, all that thing, right? And now I can also edit my project, right? I can, just update my team. I can, again, new project, again, anything. So my project is going to be updated, right? So yeah, this is also handled, right? And now let me show you by adding a new task. But before that, let me show you let me show you that what if I have a member, but in the team, if some member get deleted or from that team, so it will not show here as well, right? So the circular dependencies are also being handled. For example, if in this project, right, we have the team Fusion 75, if I remove this Uma Smith, right, it will not show here again. Let me show you, right? This Uma Smith, right? If I go click edit, and if I remove this Uma Smith 13, and if I save it, it says my team updated successfully. And as you can see that Uma Smith, that user have been removed from my team, right? Now in the projects may also that, that member has been removed, right? So yeah, that is also handled. And let me show you by adding a task. So in the add task, we have again the task, the description, the deadlines, the priority of the task, right? The notification means, right, like there are going to be reminders, automated reminders that are going to be sent to that member. The tasks that have been assigned to the member in that member's email or SMS, whatever the notification type that you choose, that reminder, that automated reminder automatically will going to be sent to their email, SMS, or both of them, right? Saying that you have to complete this task on time, or just yeah. So let me just add any task. Task one, some random one, so that 18. And if I give the deadline, right? Let me give the deadline now, 15 3 p.m. 3 5, okay, yeah, p.m. And I choose the priority to medium, and if I give this email, right, and if I assign the tasks, Jack Young, yeah, let me assign a bunch of members, assign the members to this task. So these members have to work on this task, right, in that project, right? So yeah, it's saying the task updated successfully. Now this task, that this project we have assigned, right, to these members, these tasks and projects and teams are also going to be shown in that members ka profile as well. When they log in into their member account, right, they can access these tasks, these members, these projects, these teams, the people the members they will be working with, all of them, they can see that, right? So yeah, let me show you once by logging into one of the member accounts, right? So this is the member login. Let me log in into this. Let me quickly log in into my member account, right? 1 2 3 4 5. Oops. Yeah, if I enter the OTP that has been sent in the inbox and verify that OTP, right? So yeah, it will take me to the dashboard, and we again, as we can see in the projects, right? These are the projects that have been assigned to them, right? This is the project, and this is the task that have been assigned to that member. This is the Jack 75, as we can in the profile we can see this is the Jack Young 17, right? And yeah, they have been assigned this project. This will be shown here, right? And and in the inbox we can also um, see the notification, right? The task notifications that these the task notification, the task reminders are also going to be received in the inbox. They are going to be sent. Firstly, they are going to be sent in their email, in their SMS, the notification type that choose, and also in the inbox, they also will be shown here, right? Those reminder deadlines, right? So yeah. Yeah, as we can see again, their member card details, but the member does not have access to edit or to delete or any such things. They can only read whatever the task or the teams that they have assigned, right? As in the team, also we can see that they are Jack Young 17 is being assigned, given, added in the team chosen 75, right? And is part of 2 projects, right? These are also being shown here. And in this at last 49 projects, there are no tasks have been assigned. Right, as we can again see, the total tasks that have been assigned to this member is 1, the progress, the projects are 2, the teams is 1, all these things, and the graph also have shown. Yeah. Now again, also I want to show you that this is pretty much real time, right? If I go in, right, if I add a new project or if I edit it, it will instantly going to show in the member as well. They don't have to reload. Let me show you. Let's say if I add some project and if I assign it to that member, right? If I give them any deadline, any random deadline through SMS and my and Jack. Okay, task have been successfully created, and as we can see here again, also here also the task is being updated here, right? And yes, yes. Yeah. So yeah, the projects have been assigned. So right now, and we can see that the deadline is of 3:37 p.m., right? And as we can see, the reminders have been sent to this task. This is just a random name sent via SMS, and the reminder, the deadline, the reminder date also is given, right? So yeah, these reminders will be sent in their SMS or email as well, right? Or both, right? And also one thing is that whenever, as I said before, that whenever um, a whenever a reminder is being sent to that user, right, my credit will also be uh, like credited from this user account, right, from this organization account. As we can see, the SMS credits are 44, before they were 50, right? For each member, for each task that have been assigned to that member, right, to send the notification to their SMS, 1 credit is being removed. So in total there will be 3 credits that are going to be removed, right? So yeah, in total 3 reminders are going to be sent, right, as notifications. Yeah, this is the profile, and as we can see here that all the three reminders notification has been received by this member. If we log in into different member, we can see their notifications as well, right? So yeah, all this is also handled. And again, if I go in and edit that task, let's say I give a different deadline. Let's say um, after 2 minutes I gave this deadline and I save it, right? So now, yeah, this is updated, this timer is updated, and in my projects again, this is also updated, right, this timer. So yeah, if I go ahead and again delete my task, right, or if I mark it completed, right, this task, then my notifications are not going to be sent anymore, right? If right, the notifications in the SMS or the email are not going to be sent, my credits are not going to be credited, right, from the user account. So yeah, this is there, right? And now also one more thing is that if there is some task that have been assigned, right, to these members, right, and in middle of it if I delete the task, then again, right, my reminders that was scheduled will also going to be deleted, right? So even when the task has been deleted, the reminders are not going to be sent, right? So let me show you. If I delete it, right, so right now this is updated here, and in my inbox or in my SMS or whatever the notification will not be sent, right? So yeah, as you can see, only one notification will be sent, no more notifications will be sent, right? So yeah, one thing is there. And also another thing is that what if when the task has been assigned, when the member has been assigned to a particular task, what if I remove that member from my team, or that member is being deleted, right? From here, if that member is being deleted or that member has been removed, then that member should also be removed from this task, right? So let me show you that. And the notification, that reminders that our schedule should also not be sent, right? So that also is handled. Um, let me show you. Just by removing it. If I remove the Jack Young, if I save it, right, my team is updated. That Jack Young is removed, right? It has been removed from my assigned task as well, right? And if I go in my member ka profile, as we can see, it has been removed from my projects as well, right? It has removed from my teams as well. That Jack Young is not assigned in any project in any team yet, and my dashboard is also updated in real time, right? So yeah, this is just the list of all notification that they have received till date. So yeah, this is there. And in the member, again, we have like the profile sections, right? They can go in, they can update their picture, their email address, right? All that. Here also their account have to be verified, right? This is mandatory, right? You have to, again, the member can change their email, phone, can change their password, or they can also log out, all that thing, right? So yeah, this is about the members. Now again, let's go back to the organization. So the circular dependencies are also being handled, right? So like if the team has been deleted or the team has been updated, my project will be updated, my member will be updated, all these things, right? So yeah, right now again, this much is, this is pretty much it, right? I can show you, this part is done, right? Add task, then there will be team, we can add in the new teams. Let me show you. Let's say team alpha 87, and the members, I can search these members. These are the total members, right? We can assign, and I can give them this Jack Young 79. We can assign it here, right? Let's maybe 1 2, save. And as I can now see here in the teams, in the teams it appears it has been updated, right, here as well. So this is the team, right? And now let's say I want to assign some projects, right? So what I can do is, in that new project, I can assign this new team that I have created, right? Member updated. And as we can see, all of them, we can see that, right? So all this has been handled. And again, team also, we can delete the members, we can edit the members, we can do all that. We can delete some of the members, we can save it. The team updated successfully. My members, my projects, all of them are going to be updated, right? And if I delete that team, right, the team is deleted, right? And the team is also being deleted from that project, right? As we can see, the team that was assigned is also deleted here, and is also deleted here as well in this team section, right? We can see that Jack. We can search, and we can see that currently no team has been assigned to this Jack Young, right? And we can see that no team has been assigned here as well. So all this has been handled properly. The notification will be sent properly. If any of the members has been deleted, or if the member has been removed from the team, all that will also be handled here. And so this is pretty much it. We can also click on change password. We have to enter the old password, then the new password, right? So we can enter 1 2 3, whatever the old password. Right? And we can save it, right? It says password has been properly changed, all that, right? So this is pretty much all the features of organization. Also, there is one more feature, that we can upgrade our credits as well, right? So how we can do is, I have also integrated this Razer Pay, right? What I can do is, 1 rupees is equals to 10 credits, right? So I can enter in the amount. Let's say I want 2 rupees. I will get 20 credits, 20 email credits I will get, right? This is the cancel, but I can again put 2 rupees and I can buy the email credits, right? Currently the email credits are 98, but if I buy it, this is proceeding my payment. And if I success it, so right now, as you can see, it has been the 20 more credits have been added in my email credits. So this all has been also handled here. And one more thing is, let me show you now the members. How am I handling the members, right? As we know that I can just edit my member as well, right? If I remove my Jack 124 from one of the teams, right? It will going to reflect in my teams as well, right? This team from it has been removed from the team and it will going to reflect here as well, right? And these are some of these options, right? This is the recent option. We can resend the activation link, let's say, right? Let's say whenever the invite has been created, right? Whenever we add the member, right? After we add the member, there is an invite that is created and is being sent to that member's email, right? So after they click that link, only then they are allowed to log in. I will show you that, right? Firstly, let me show you. If I delete this member, right, it is again deleted from my team. It will be deleted from my projects, right? It will also be deleted from my task if any of the tasks were being assigned, right? So yeah, this that is handled. So right now currently this is active. Let me create a new member. Okay, let me create, let's say, new member. We can give in any number and we can also assign the teams, right now let's assign only one team. And when we save it, oops, yeah, so let's add a new member, right? Let's give it a name, david@gmail.com. We can add in the name as well, right? And we can give the same, right? So it's created, it's saying member created, invite link and the verification links have been sent to that member's email, right? So right now I should quickly go through, I should yeah, but firstly, the member, the invite link, the invitation link will be sent, right? So right now, as we can see that this member has shown that inactive status is showing the inactive status, right? If I click that activation link that will be sent, right, it will change to active, right? And the user can log in, right? So right now, if the user is inactive and I try to log in, right, it should show me error. Let me log out from here. Let me again log in, right? It's saying member account not activated. You have to first activate it, right? So let's activate that user account, right? The invitation links will be sent to us, right? So let me go. So this is the link that we have received, right? And if I go, yeah, it's saying that account activated successfully, right? So, and it will automatically take me to this member login page, right? So right now, if I go and if I log in, it's saying member and email is not verified yet, right? But my account is being activated. And we can also see here, oh, yeah, that my account is being activated here, right? So yeah, that is done. And if I try to, it's saying member is already activated again, but I have to do the verification, like verify the links, right? So yeah, this is the, yeah, my phone is being verified, my email has been verified, both of them has been verified, right, of that user. And if now I try to log in, it's saying OTP sent that and it is letting me to log in, right? So yeah, if I verify it, yeah, it's letting me to enter my page and it's saying no project, no teams have been assigned as of yet, right? If I go to the profile, we can do all that, right? And this is actually, this button is the recent activation links, right? Let's say hypothetically, if I put, let's say if one of the user accounts is actually inactive, let's say the Jack Young 17 is inactive, right? I can just click this link and it will say member activation has been sent. That link has been sent to this email, right? So in that inbox, we have to verify that link, right? That in the activation link will be sent, right? If I click here, uh, yes, account activated successfully, and we can see that my Jack Young, yeah, this has been activated, right? So yeah, and if I click it again, it's just saying that member is already activated. So yeah, I think these are pretty much all the features of organization. Yeah, so right now, let me show you now the features of the credits are also being deducted, right? For each reminder has been sent. So right now, let me show you, log out the individual user features, right? So yeah, for the individual user, if I try to, let's say, if I try to log in the individual user credential, if I put it in organization login, it will going to say that my user doesn't exist. Let me show you. Let's say this is my individual user email, okay? And if I log in, it is saying that team admin not found, right? That organization, this user is not found, right? So I have to go to individual login, right? Right now I'm in individual login, and if I log in, yeah, it's saying OTP sent to the inbox of that user email, user's email. verify, right? So yeah, so this is the graph we have. This user will have in total 6 tasks that have been that have been made till date. It has four scheduled alerts. Yeah, all these information. Then we have the graph as well, right? And yeah, this is the tasks, right? These are all the tasks of that individual user, right? We have been logged in as John Doe, right? So these are all the tasks of the John Doe, right? So these are all the high priority tasks. We have the filter as well. If you have to filter through all the high priority tasks, in progress tasks, all that, right? So these are all the tasks, right? And we can, again, it's the same thing that the reminders, the automated reminders will going to be sent to that user's email or SMS, whatever we choose, right? Into their inbox through their SMS, and the credits are going to be updated as well, right? Here we have the credits option as well, right? The credits are also going to be deducted from this account. So yeah, this is the thing. Yeah, if I delete it, it says that this task have been deleted successfully. We can create it. It will give me the validation if I try to submit it. All these things, right? So yeah, we can edit it. We can edit the name to update task, whatever. Some anything random description that we can give, and uh, again the notifications they will get also, right? If I give the email both, and if I save it, now the email will be deducted for both the email and the SMS as well, right? So 2 credits will be credited for each 3 reminders that have been sent. Okay, so yeah, these were the before the reminders that were sent, right? On this time is also given and sent via that notification type, all that, right? We have the settings again. The user can update their credentials. So yeah, this is pretty much, again, they can update their credits, right? They can enter in the credits, the email, the SMS, anything like that. They can again edit their image, right? The account needs to be verified. The verification links will be sent. The phone verification link will be sent to that number, that phone number that they have assigned. That email will be sent to that email. They have to verify. Only then they are allowed, right? So a proper secure system have been built, right? So yeah, this is the updated task, right? We are going to receive in the inbox the notifications, right? As we can see, we have received one notification, yeah, scheduled at this time, and both it has been received in both the email and the SMS. We can see here, right? So yeah, all this is handled. So these are pretty much all the features of individual users as well, right? And yeah, uh, in the inbox, yeah, the second reminder link have also been sent to the SMS and the email that that user has been given. Okay, and third will also be sent, and yeah, for each task 3 reminders are going to be sent. Yeah, and if I log out, it's saying logging out, and it's showing me this, right? And also it's completely mobile responsive application as well. In the organization, if you go right, let me show you. Yeah, yeah, this is a completely in everything. Let me show you. Okay, now let's say I forgot my password, right? I can just do this. I will go to this forgot password page. I can enter in the email, right, of the email of that user, right? I can enter in the email. uh, so yeah, let's do that. All my passwords, everything has been successfully stored properly, all that. Something went wrong. If I say forgot password and I enter in the password, right, of that user role, and if I send the OTP, it will say the user has not been registered yet. Okay, let me go in. Okay, we have changed now. So now it's this email. If I go in, yeah, that OTP has been sent, right? The password OTP has been sent, and this is that OTP. We can enter in the OTP. We have the recent OTP. All that we have the only after this, after 30 seconds, I can do the recent OTP. But right now we have the correct OTP. So yeah, verify OTP. So it's saying OTP verified successfully, and now I can go in only and only after I have verified my identity. I would be able to reset my password, right? So I can enter in the new password, right? Any new password I can enter, and I can say reset password, right? So yeah, it's saying password have been reset successfully, and I'm back to my organization login. So now if I go in, right, and if I go in and I enter the previous password, right, I would not be able to log in. It's saying invalid credentials. But if I enter in the correct password, yeah, same OTP has been sent. So yeah, all this has been also handled, this forgot password, reset password functionality, right? And I'm again back. Also, I want to show you that this everything is completely mobile responsive. It's a completely responsive website. Yeah, as you can see, in the mobile, it looks something like this. In the iPad, like this, all that, right? And in the mobile, yeah, we have received this, and we can, through this, we can go into any of, yeah, like that. We will be redirected there. Currently, yeah, these were all the members detail, right? Everything has been currently correctly responsive. Okay, even my teams, if I go to the teams, it's been, yeah, properly responsive. The projects as well, right? Let me show you. Yeah, yeah, yes. Yeah, the projects as well, right? The projects, the task as well that have been assigned, right? All of them have been properly handled. And if I go in and delete this project, it's saying, it's again taking me back to this page, and it's saying project deleted. And yeah, all this is also handled properly, right? So everything has been properly handled. So right now, let me log in as another user, as admin user, right? So let me log out from here, and admin user, I have to enter the admin credentials. Yeah, 1 second. That admin has received the OTP in their email. And if I verify it, yeah, this is the admin dashboard. Dashboard I still have to do, but admin is responsible for handling all the organization admins, right? They can create the organization admin, they can edit, delete, right? Resend the invite, right? They can suspend also that organization admin. So all this is also handled here, right? And is real time. So if I we can create the new organization, the admin can create the new organization admin, they can edit the uh, existing team admin, right? They can also delete it, right? All this. And if I suspend the user, right, it's saying that admin have been suspended, right? So right now, if I go in and if I try to log in, I won't be able to log in, right? I have to first then resend the invite. Only if I like click that invite link that have been sent, only then the user will be activated and will again be login, allowed to log in, right? So yeah, this is the, right, I can show you. um try to log in. Okay, it's, oh, this is the member, right? We have to log in as organization. If I log in saying team admin account has not been activated, right? So yeah, the admin can also activate the account, but for the user, if I do the recent invite, the invite link have been sent, will be sent to the email of this organization admin, right? Only if they activate it, click that link and activate it, then only they will be activated. So let me resend the invite. It's saying team admin invite have been sent, right, to the inbox of that team admin, right? And if I click it, it's saying that account have been activated, and as we can see here as well, that the account have been activated. So yeah, this is pretty much it. And let's say if I again delete, if I delete this account, it's saying that admin successfully deleted that organization admin, right? And if I again go with this account, try to log in, it's saying, yeah, team admin not found, that they have been deleted by the admin. So yeah, admin is responsible for again handling all that. And yeah, the admin can again change their password, email, all that. They can access their profile, right? Yeah, and yeah, if I log in, then they're logged out. So yeah, this is pretty much all the features that I have built. This is the forgot. Yeah, for the Tasky, this is pretty much all the features. So yeah, thanks.